Cinergy 100 speakers can be installed either on wall or in a stud wall. The speakers can be installed vertically and horizontally. For horizontal installs, the mid-tweeter array should be rotated. To do so, use the supplied Allen key to loosen and remove a bolt. Pull the mid-tweeter array from the cabinet, turn it clockwise 90 degrees, then reinsert and tighten the bolt. The monitor audio branding can also be rotated to match the configuration by prising the badge using a plastic tool. The Cinergy range features uniquely designed isolating brackets and feet to prevent vibrations against the stud wall. Using the supplied template, mark and drill the holes on the horizontal stud as instructed. Fix the locator bungs to the stud using suitable screws. Attach the isolation feet to the speaker using the large-headed screws provided. Optionally, add the isolation pads down the sides of the speaker to further reduce vibrations. Fix the isolation brackets to the top of the cabinet with the screws and washers provided using the pre-drilled pilot holes. Be sure to enable the brackets and movement by not tightening the screw too tight at this stage. Place the speaker into the stud, locating the isolation feet over the bungs. Insert the bracket isolator between the stud and the bracket, and use the washers provided and suitable screws to fix to the stud. Tighten the screws going into the speaker cabinet when you're happy with the positioning. Depending on your wall covering, you can use port bungs to isolate bass. Optionally, attach the grills. For on-wall installations, flat brackets are already fitted onto the back of the speaker. Using the supplied template, mark out and drill the holes as instructed. Insert suitable wall plugs and screws. With the screw heads sticking out from the wall by 10 mm. Optionally, add the isolation pads down the back of the speaker to reduce vibrations. Lastly, hang the speaker on the screws. Port bungs should be left in for this install. Optionally, attach the grills provided.